So what do y'all think about the new camera setup and mic setup? I think it's a lot better. I think it's a lot easier to hear me clearer, and then also I like that it doesn't have as much of the exhaust noise. The speaker, I mean microphone, really kind of cuts out a lot of the rev limiter and stuff like that. That way you don't have that in the recording, and you can actually hear what I'm saying and kind of what's going on in the environment. It's really nice that it does that. I'm pretty happy with the setup so far. I haven't really had any trouble with the GoPro per se. It was just like figuring out how to hook it up to my cardio pack. That was the only issue. Which, I mean, wasn't really an issue. I just went out and like did a little bit of filming, and then after I played the video back, I wasn't super happy with it because it when I wasn't talking, it would kind of cut out and you wouldn't hear anything at all. And I still want you to be able to hear that stuff's going on. It just, to me, sounds a little more pleasing. But to each his own. There's a lot of four-wheelers that come on this trail. Beautiful time of the year, though. Everything is really starting to bloom and the colors are coming together. I wish it was a better day, more sunny day than it is, because it was supposed to be a good day, and then last minute there's like a storm coming through, so it's not the prettiest of days, but it's still a day, and we will make the most of it. There's a rough section here.